Hello my sweet ones, I'm back again. This is teacher Namuddu Prossy and the class is primary 2. Last time I was here, we learned about addition with carrying, which I'm sure that you did the work that I left you with excellently. I know you're good children and I know you're ever attentive. Get your book and pencil and then we have to learn something. Now, before we begin, don't allow anyone to distract you. You're going to stand and sing a simple song. I want everyone's mind to be open. So let us begin, my dear friends. We are going to sing Down in the Jungle. I want you to shake your body and then we settle in class. 1, 2, 3, we go. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there is a big fat gorilla washing its clothes. There is a rubber there and a rubber there. That's the way it washes its clothes. Oh, a boogie, a boogie, a boogie, 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 a boogie, a boogie, a boogie, boogie, boogie. That's the way it washes its clothes. Now, that is that. I know you know that song even better than me. So, let us go to the corrections. Now, sit down, settle in, open your books, get your pencil. So, I want us to do corrections. Our first number was, we had 10s and 1s, we had 2, 8, and then 9. My dear friends, the moment you begin carrying, whenever you're given an activity, you have to put it in your mind that at any time you're going to find a number where you need to carry. Nobody is going to be there all the time reminding you, oh, my dear friend, Risa, we are going to carry. No. So now, this is what we have. And remember, in P2, we show the side work. So let us see what you did. We go to Mr. Ones. I told you that when we are adding, we should always begin from the ones side. So under Mr. Ones, what do we have? I have 8 plus 9. Good. So we are going to take the balls. But again, I wanted to teach you a very easy way of coming out to the answer without drawing balls. Why? I believe that now for us we are upgrading. We upgraded, we can add big numbers. So when you look at the two numbers, which one is bigger? We see 9 is bigger. So we are going to put the big number on our head and the small number on our hands. So we go. We put 9 on my head and 8 on my finger. So we go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Are we together? We have 9 on my head and 8 on my fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So our answer here is 17. Are we together, guys? But if you cannot do this, I'm not discouraging you from using your balls. So where are we going to put our 17? We look at our number 17. Can we put it here? Does it qualify to be under Mr. Ones? No. Already we see 2 digits and it is 17. So where are we going to put it? We put it below the equal signs. Look at your numbers. You can even put your place values. I have 10s, I have 1s. So what am I going to do? I am going to take 7 to Mr. Ones. 7 belongs to Mr. Ones. Then after putting our 7 there, I will come to my 1. 1 I see is under Mr. 10s. So I'm taking 1 to his family and I put 1 up there. So under Mr. Tens, Mr. Tens has got a new member. So I start with that new member. I come and say 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? Put 2 on your feet, on your head, and 2 and 1 on your fingers. We have 2 and 1 here. So that is 2, 3. So our answer here is 3. So you put 3 under Mr. 10, which gives us our answer as 37. Remember, my dears, I'm not taking you away from your balls. You do what is simple for you. So if you can do this one where we put the big number on the head and the small one on the fingers, you go with this. If you can't do this, please draw the balls. With balls, you will never go wrong. So let us see our next number. Our next number was 34 plus 19. So this one, we needed to arrange. Are we together? We arrange numbers according to their place values. So before even I arrange, I will first put my place values on the numbers. So I look at 34, put the place values. This 3 is under 10s, this is under 1s. 10s and then 1s. Now, after putting your place values, you know the place value that you're going to write down when you're showing your working. So we have 10s and 1s. I will come down here. I say 10s and then 1s. After doing that, after writing your place values, go back to the first number. Look at the first number. Already it has the place values. So we see 3 is under 10s, 4 is under 1s. We have finished to put this number under its place values. So we come to the second number, which is 19. Again, we look at the numbers. Already they have the place value. It is just a matter of shifting the numbers, transferring the numbers to their place value. So 9 is under 1s and 1 is under 10s. Don't forget the addition sign and then the equal signs. So we go, my friends. Remember, with mathematics, we have to show the working. So I will come on the side and I say side work. The moment you do your side work, you're giving someone a picture. You're making someone to believe in you. You know what you're doing. So we go. We are going to begin from Mr. Tell me, we begin from which side? Good. We begin from the side of 1s. So what do we have under Mr. 1s? We have 4 plus 9. Don't go to Mr. 10s before you deal with Mr. 1s. So let us draw our balls this time. We go. So let us draw the 4 balls. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We come to the next number, which is 9. Again, we are going to draw our balls. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after drawing your balls, please count all the balls. Put them together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you write your answer 13. Look at the number 13. Does it qualify to go under Mr. 1s? Can I put it in the equal signs? When I look at the number, I cannot put it in the equal signs. What do I do? I'm going to write it below the equal signs. After putting it below the equal signs, put the place values, my dears. I have 10s, I have 1s. So I'm going to write 3 under its family, which is Mr. 1s, and then I'm going to carry my 1 to Mr. 10s and I put it above. Okay? Put it up. Don't put it in the side. He is part of the family now. So after that, go back and list members for Mr. Tens. Good, we go. We have 1 plus 3 plus 1. So let us draw balls here. We draw 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. So we are going to bring 5 under Mr. Tens, and that gives us our answer as 53. Is that clear to everyone? Please, I know you children, don't say now, Teacher Prossy is using different colors to write her answers. No, you get a pencil and a pen. No, my dears. It has, let me put it in the same pen. So I have 5 here, which gives us our answer as 53. I know you got that right, and I know that you're good children. Now, the last number was a word problem where Charlene had 48 sweets and Kathy had 29 sweets. So, when you read that word problem, the first number was 48. So I write my 48 sweets. When I go down, I see that also Kathy had 29 sweets. Let me just write them there. So when you look at this, I have even arranged. I have already arranged. But when we go to the question is saying, how many sweets do they have all together? What am I going to do? All together. Already that is giving me addition sign. Are we together, people? So now we are going to add this number here. But I'm not forgetting my place values. And I am not forgetting my side work. So after that, what am I going to ask? Those ones who are using that, use that. But I want to go with those ones who draw the balls, because I told you that balls don't lie. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are we together, people? Yes. Let us put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You write 17. There. So where am I putting my 17? Am I bringing it here? No. I am going to put it below the equal signs, and it should be in line. I've added the ones. So what are you going to do? You're going to write 7 under ones, and then you're going to carry 1 to Mr. Tens. We carry this one. We take it to its family. So after that, look at Mr. Tens. He has added a new member. The new member is 1 plus 4 plus 2. So let us draw our balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Put the balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. We bring our 7 and we put it in the family for Mr. Tens. So how many sweets do they have? They have 77 sweets. All, let me write this word here, all together. Is that clear to everyone? I know that's the answer that you got. So clap for yourselves. I know you did very good work. I'm also clapping for you. Good children, you deserve that clap. So today, this is about addition with carry. So there is something that I want you to know. Sometimes they are going to involve hundreds. So what they involve 100, what are you going to do? Let me give you an example. So we are doing another number here. They can say, this one's 3, this is 4. I have 2, 4, 9 plus. So I have 249 plus 43. I'm bringing in this. You never know. They might bring for you a number which involves hundreds where you need to carry. How are you going to do it? Still, you're going to show your place values. We start with the first number. 2 is under hundreds, 4 is under tens, 9 is under ones. 4 is under tens, 3 is under ones. Come down and arrange. We look at the number which has more digits. The bigger number is 249, so we shall take hundreds, tens and ones. Put the number on the place values. We have 2, we have 4, we have 9. Then look at the second number. Be careful. 3 is under ones, take it to under Mr. Ones. 4 is under tens, please take it. And then the addition sign. Please always be careful when you're putting numbers on the place values. So this is what we have. Still, we are going to begin from Mr. One's family. When we go to Mr. One's, it has 9 plus 3. So we are going to put the big number on our heads. Or before we do that, let us show the side work. Sorry, never forget the side work. We have 9 plus 3. When we do side work, we are showing someone that we understand what we are doing and that we are also neat. So we draw 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 balls, 1, 2, 3. Put them together. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We write 12. So after writing 12, where are we putting it? We cannot put it in the equal signs. We are going to put it under below the equal signs. Are we together? So after that, look at the place values. We are going to write 2 under Mr. Ones. Then we carry 1 to Mr. Tens. Be careful here. We are not going to carry this number to 100. Always consider the nearest person to you. Consider your neighbors first. So when we look at this number here, Mr. Tens is near Mr. Ones. So we are going to carry our 1 to Mr. Tens. Even when we put the place values, we see that this one is under Mr. Tens. So what do? We are going to carry it to Mr. Tens. Then under Mr. Tens we have 1 plus 4 plus 4. So what is here? We draw 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. You're going to write 9 there. Is that clear to everyone? Then we go under Mr. Hundreds. Mr. Hundreds has 2 plus nothing. Nothing is the same as 0. You can still go down and say 2 plus 0. What is 2 plus 0? You get your 2. If you add 0 to any number, it will always remain that same number. So we have 2 there. So our answer is 292. That is our answer. So if it is involves hundreds, always carry to the nearest number. Give to your neighbor first. To the nearest neighbor. Is that clear to everyone? Thank you very much today. So that was our corrections for the previous work. So today we are going to find the missing number in the box. So how do we find the missing number in the box? So our first example. Sorry. So we go to example number 1. Please be attentive. The first number. I have the box plus 3. My answer is 6. So, when you find such a number, they want you to find the missing number in the box. But first read this statement and understand it. What does it mean? They say that there is a number in the box. When you add that number to 3, your answer is going to be 6. What is the missing number in the box? What are we going to do? We see that here it is addition. So if it is addition and they want you to find the missing number in the box, you're going to draw your box down. Equals to, get the big number which is 6. Are we together, people? And take away the small number which is 3. So when you take away 3 from 6, what are we going to get? Get 6. We draw 6 balls. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to cut 3 balls. We go 1, 2, 3. How many balls are remaining? Let us count and say 1, 2, 3. So our answer there is 3. So that means that the missing number in the box is 3. Please put it there and see if it will give you 6. So when I put my 3 here, 3 plus 3, let us draw balls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when I put them together, will they give me 6? Let us find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is 6. That means that I have got the missing number in the box. So let us go to example number 2. I have my second example here. Our second example. I have box plus 4 equals to 9. I told you that first read the statement, understand it, then work it out. Good. So we have a box plus 4. My answer is 9. How come? They are saying there is a number in the box. When I add 4 to that number in the box, my answer is going to be 9. And I have told you that if you see it is addition, to get the missing number in the box, you are going to subtract. Look at the numbers. Which number is bigger? You're going to tell me that it is 9. So come down. We are looking for that number, the missing number in the box. Come down and write box equals to 9. Take away 4. Our sign is going to change to subtraction. Reason, we want to find the missing number. So we have 9, take away 4. So we are going to draw our balls. So I come down here and I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away 4. I'm going to cross 4 balls. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we together? So we are going to count and see our box equals to what? Are we together, people? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our box equals to 5. You can even prove and see if I put my 5 here in the box, will I get my answer as 9? Let us prove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9. So I will go away smiling knowing that I have got my answer. My answer is 5. Is that clear to everyone? Then, next, they can even say 2 plus the box. The answer is 3. Are we together, people? Now, even if they put the box in the middle, still you are going to subtract to get the missing number in the box. What are we going to do? Still, I'll come down here, I draw my box equals. Why am I saying box equals? Because I'm looking for the number in the box. This means that we have to, if you add it to the number in the box, you're going to get your answer as 3. So you come down and write box. You're looking for the number in the box, right? Box equals to the big number 2 and 3. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger. Take away 2. So what is 3 take away 2? I count 1, 2, 3. Are we together? Take away 2. 1, 2. So my number in the box is 1. Proof. Put your 1 there and see if you will get 3. So that is finding the missing number in the box where addition is involved. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, I know I have a bright class. So, my next example, we are going to find a number where it is subtraction. I have box take away 4. My answer will be 7. I have told you that when you're dealing with finding the missing number in the box, first understand the statement. The statement is saying there is a number in the box. If you take away 4 from this number in the box, your answer is going to be 7. Is that clear to everybody? Now, if I am beginning with the box and it is take away, listen, if it is the box beginning and it is take away, how am I going to find the missing number in the box? I will come down and say box equals, look at both numbers. This sign is going to turn to addition. I will say 4 plus 7. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. So, what you do, come down, say box. Let us draw our balls. Here we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put them together. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our box equals to 11. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. So when we get 11 and we put it here, get 11 and take away 4, you're going to find that your answer is going to be 7. You can put it there to prove whether you've got the right answer. So going away, you will know that yes, I have got that number correct. So I am going to give another example. I have the box, take away 2, the answer is 6. Are we together? This means that there is a number in the box. When you take away 2 from that number, it is going to give you the answer as 6. Is that clear to everyone? So let us see what you are going to do. I've told you that if it is a box starting and it is a takeaway sign, you are going to add to get the missing number in the box. So come down and say box equals to 2 plus 6. What is 2 plus 6? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. Come down and say the box equals to 8. Is that clear to everyone? Very simple. So, first you have to understand what the statement is saying. The moment you know what the statement means, that means that you can get your answers correct. This is the last one that we are doing. I have 4. Take away the box. The answer is 1. What does it mean? This means that there is a number in the box. If you take it away from 4, your answer is going to be 1. So, what does that one mean? It means that you get 4 if the box is in the middle and it is taken away. Please don't add. Listen to me. If you're finding the missing number in the box and it is subtraction, you don't add. Just come down and say 4, take away 1. So what is 4 take away 1? We say 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut 1. We cut it. So what is remaining? 1, 2, 3. So our missing number in the box is 3. Put 4 up. Put 4 fingers up, everybody. Let us cut 3 fingers. We go 1, 2, 3. We see we remain with 1, which is our answer there. So that is finding the missing number in the box. So I'm going to give you an activity where you're going to try for me some numbers. Thank you. I know you're very good children. You're going to do for me nice work. Box, take away 2, your answer is 10. 4, I have 9, take away the box, the answer is 5. That is our activity for today. Please do for me that work and please try to follow the examples. Don't let anyone to disturb you when you're doing this work. Thank you for being good children. I love you so much. God loves you too. I know that you're going to do this work very well till when we meet next time. Thank you, children.